How to draw Freddy Fazbear. Hey everyone! So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing the nose. This will be done in the center of the page, and all of the edges will be slightly curved. Now beneath and connected to the nose, we're going to draw a small line coming down, and then from this, we're going to draw two sides that will both be above the mouth. And if you're new to the channel, then I want to say welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub, and I just want to let you know that we upload regularly, so if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. Now for the next step, we're going to go above everything that we just drew together, and we're going to begin to draw the hat, because this will help us later on in the video draw the outline of the face. So we're just going to make a long, curved line that will be pointing upwards for the base of the hat. Now we're going to make a top outline of this line to give it a little bit more thickness and a shape. Now connected to what we just drew and above, we're going to begin to draw what will make up the top of the hat by drawing two shapes, one on top of the other. They will both look similar to squares. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then make sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists and Five Nights at Freddy fans can also learn how to draw Freddy Fazbear. Now if you're all done, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now on the right hand side, we're going to begin by drawing a curved line. We're going to draw two curved lines, one on each side, which will both be the base of drawing the outline of the face. Next, we'll use two more curved lines to connect the endpoints of what we just drew to the bottom portion of the face. Nice! Now underneath, we're going to draw a big U-like shape to connect the left side of the face to the right. This will help us make the mouth. Next, on the inside of what we just drew, we're going to begin to draw a second big U-like shape, which will help us make an outline for the mouth. Now on the inside of the mouth, we're going to begin to draw the teeth. For this step, it's important to know that some of the teeth should be a little bit spread out. In order to draw the teeth, it's easy to use simple square-like shapes. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Nice! Now we're all done drawing the bottom portion of the face. Next, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the ears. For the first step, we're not going to connect the ears to the head just yet. Next, on the inside of each ear, we're going to draw a smaller outline of the same shape that we just drew. Now we're not going to leave the ears unconnected. We're going to connect the ears to the head right now by using two small lines on each side of the head to connect the ears to the head. Now for the last step today before we color will be to draw the eyebrows along with the eyes. We're going to first draw the eyebrows and we're going to begin to make them very big, thick, and curvy. Now in just a second, we're going to move a little over to the right to draw the second eyebrow. We should make them both relatively the same size. Now beneath each eyebrow, we're going to draw a very big circle, which will be the outline of the eyes. Now on the inside of each circle that we just drew, we're going to draw a second smaller circle. Next, we're going to draw the eyelid along with the pupil. We're going to draw these two things by using a simple line going across for the eyelid, along with a black circle attached to the eyelid for the pupil. Nicely done. Now last but not least, let's do the exact same thing on the right hand side. Thanks for watching How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing came out great. If you'd like me to see your drawing, then share with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. And don't forget to give this video a big like so we can continue to grow our community together. Awesome job today, and I can't wait to draw with you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.